Assalamu alaikum. Today we are very much pleased and highly privileged that from United States we have Professor Ijaz Nasir, who is the Professor of Pathology in University of South Florida. He is a prolific researcher, writer of many books that has been published by Springer and other notable publishers all over the world. Sir, thank you very much for visiting us at Institute of Public Health. Would you please like to introduce yourself first so that our audience can know what is your interest and how you find Institute of Public Health as one of the strong collaborative partners with the university where you are working?
Thank you very much, Dr. Professor Saira Afzal. I'm very pleased and delighted and honored to be at your institute to meet with you and your faculty. I am actually, by training, I'm a surgical pathologist, histopathologist. I originally trained at King Edward Medical College with Professor Nagi. And at that point, I got interested in cancer pathology, precision pathology. When I went to UK and United States around the turn of the century, I pursued active molecular, translational, and clinical research in different solid cancer types, particularly breast cancer, GI cancers, neuroendocrine cancers. These areas we did molecular discoveries and validation studies, and we discovered novel biomarkers for prediction and prognostication of these and various other cancer types. I've been very interested in association of cancer with some of the underlying carcinogenic mechanisms, particularly hepatitis C and association of cervical cancer with various HPV subtypes. We actually looked at those in initial stages. And I'm particularly interested in implementing and applying that knowledge to our patient populations, cancer, pre-cancer, and so forth. I'm very impressed by the extensive diagnostic and research projects which are being carried out at your institute. And I certainly look forward to building active collaborations with your team. That is one of my major goals at the present time and in near future. And in any way, if I can contribute my experience in the study of human disease, particularly cancer and pre-cancer, I'll be absolutely delighted and honored to work with your teams, and we can build some collaborations.
Thank you very much. It is really fantastic. And I am looking forward to have a very strong collaboration with the University of South Florida, especially for decreasing the burden of hepatitis C here, because Pakistan is one of those countries that have very high prevalence of hepatitis C and the hepatocellular carcinoma caused by hepatitis C and B infection. And both are preventable. We are working on vaccine preventable diseases, especially cervical cancer, and we have inaugurated the first vaccine of HPV here at our institute. And we are looking forward to have better collaboration on knowing the biomarkers, forecasting, and doing the prevalence studies with the survival rates as well as knowing the prognosis of different diseases based on the evidence. So thank you very much for being here.
Absolutely.
And this institute is so blessed to have you here. Thank you so
Absolutely.
much.
I look forward to being a part of this research team. I think this is just coming back to family.
Thank
And
you very
I
much.
enjoyed it, and I look forward to
And I know
building
that
some teamwork.
and I know that your youth has been spent here,
Absolutely.
and you have been trained in this place in the same
Absolutely.
earth, and still there are so memories at each and every part of this earth when you are walking through our corridors.
Absolutely.
Thank you very much.
I'm very grateful and really honored, and we'll continue our teamwork.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
And I'm grateful to Dr. Tarak Mia. So pleased to meet with him.
Is he your class fellow?
Yeah, we were class fellows. and
Right.
Professor Bukhari as well. So I think it's all global team. It's a great feeling. I feel at home.
Thank you so much.
And even when I was in States, even though physically I had left Pakistan,
Yeah.
but mentally and conceptually, I was always keen to investigate those studies. Like when I was at Emory during my fellowship, doing GI liver pathology,
Yeah.
hepatitis C was one of my major focus. So we studied hepatocellular carcinoma, liver transplants in those patients, and its association with Hep C. I studied Hep C at George Washington, then Emory, and then continued those studies. So we'll bring that knowledge back here.
Thank you very much.
And we'll
And
just
your
integrate.
roots are always here, and I totally believe that if you are enjoying your stay here, it means that this still has a lot of favors for you. Thank you very much
Absolutely.
for being here, being Pakistani, and being the alumnus of this institute. Thank
My
you very
pleasure.
much.
My pleasure and honor.
Thank you.
Absolutely. Thank you.